Good morning.
Today we will present the result of our translation chapter 4 with material on moving body reward, energy balance for systems, specific heat and internal energy, enthalpy and specific heat of ideal gas, solid and liquid. Before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Aina Karnisa with name 21.
My name is Yoneka Salsabila with name 25. And me, Aulia Salsabila with name 27. My name is Yoneka Salsabila with name 31. My name is
Okay, friends, let's just start with our presentation. The first one will be read by me. Moving boundary work. One form of mechanical work frequently in practice is associated with the expansion or compression of the gas in a piston cylinder device. During this process, part of the boundary of the piston move back and forth. Therefore, the expansion and compression
Halo
work is
guys,
often called
kali ini
moving
kami
boundary
lagi
work
UAS
or
matkul
simple
bahasa
boundary work.
Inggris dan
Moving
itu
boundary work
dosennya.
is the
Spill dulu bang.
involved in automobile engines. During the expansion, the compression gas forces the piston to move, which in turn forces the crankshaft to roll.
Ini kelompok saya guys.
In this section,
Ini
we
Renhat.
analyze the
Ini
moving boundary
Nyimas.
work for a quasi-equilibrium process during which the system remains nearly in equilibrium
Ini orang Jawa.
at all times.
Orang Jawa. Jawa adalah kunci.
If the piston is allowed to move the distance in a quasi-equilibrium manner, the differential work done during this
Ada
process.
Lea tengok-tengok.
This is the boundary work in the differential form is equal to the product of the absolute pressure dV and the differential change in the volume dV of the system. This expression also explains why the moving boundary work is sometimes
Udah jadi kayak tongcis ke tangan aku nih.
Not in example for the one that P is the absolute pressure which is always positive. However, the volume change dV is positive during an expansion process
Ambil tas warna hitam.
and negative during
Yang
is
presentasi PPT-nya
compression process volume decreases. Thus, the boundary work is positive during an expansion process and negative during a compression process. The total boundary work done during the entry process as the piston move is obtained by adding all the differential work from the initial state to the final state. Okay, thank you. Next, write Vivian.
In general, each aspect of the will have a different area underneath it, and science is the magnitude of the work. The work done will be different for each process. E out net energy transfer by heat, work, and mass equal delta E system checks its internal kinetic potential energies. 2. Or indirect from us. E in means E out, rate of net energy transfer by heat, work, and mass. That equals the E system per ET, rate of change in internal kinetic potential energy. 3. For constant rate, the total quantities during a time interval ut are related to quantities per unit time as u equals u delta t, w equals w delta t, and delta E equals dt per dt. Delta T. Energy balance can be expressed on a per unit massa basis as E in mean E out equals delta E system. For energy balance can also be expressed in the differential form as 5. Nothing that a closed system does not involve any mass flow across its boundaries. The energy balance for a cycle can be expressed in terms of head and work interaction as the energy balance or the first law relation already give our intuitive nature and are easy to use when the magnitude and direction of heat and work transfer are known. However, when performing a general analytical study or solving a problem that involves an unknown heat or work interaction, we need to assume a direction for the heat or work interaction. In such case, it is common practice to use the classical thermodynamic size convention and to assume heat to be transferred into the system. Heat input is the amount of Q and work to be done by the system work output in the amount of W and then to solve the problem. The energy balance relation in that case for a closed system becomes U net in W net out equals delta E system or U mean W equals delta E.
Okay, thank you, Salsa. Let's begin by your. Okay, here I will explain about specific head substance. The specific head is defined as the energy required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree. In thermodynamics, we are interested into the field of specific head. Specific head is constant volume Cp and specific head at constant pressure Cp. The specific head at constant volume Cp can be viewed as the energy required to raise the temperature of the unit mass of a substance by 1 degree as the volume is maintained constant. The specific head at constant pressure Cp is always greater than Cp because at constant pressure the system is allowed to expand and the energy for this expansion work must also be supplied to the system. Specific heads. The specific heads in terms of the thermodynamics properties. First, consider a fixed mass in a stationary closed system undergoing a constant volume process. And thus, no expansion or compression work is performed. The definition of Cp is energy must be equal to Cp dT, where dT is the differential change in temperature. Friends, can see the formula in PPT. The specific head and constant pressure Cp can be obtained by considering a constant pressure expansion or compression process. It see the formula internal energy, enthalpy, and specific heads of ideal gases. Define an ideal gas as a gas whose temperature, pressure, and specific volume are given by Dv equals RT. Experimentally, Joule 1840, therefore, our ideal gas and the internal energy is a function of the temperature only. That is, U equals U. Okay, thank you, Norma. Next will be read by Mia.
Internal energy, enthalpy, and specific heads of ideal gases. Using the definition of enthalpy and the equation of state of an ideal gas, we have H equals U plus dV. dV equals RT. H equals U plus RT. Since R is constant and U equals UT, it follows that the enthalpy of an ideal gas is also a constant of temperature only. H equals HT. Internal energy, enthalpy, and specific heads of solids and liquids. A substance whose specific volume or density is constant is called an compressible substance. The specific volumes of solids and liquids essentially remain constant during a process. Therefore, liquids and solids can be approximated as incompressible substance without sacrificing much in accuracy. The constant volume assumption so is taken to imply that energy associated with the volume change is negligible compared with other forms of energy. It can be mathematically shown that the constant volume and constant pressure specific heads are identical for incompressible substance. Internal energy changes, like those of ideal gases, the specific heads of incompressible substance depend on temperature only. Thus, the partial differentials in the definite equation of Cv can be replaced by ordinary differentials, which yield the change in internal energy between stage 1 and 2 is then obtained by integration. The variation of specific heat Cv temperature so we know before this integration can be carried out for small temperature interval. A C value at the average temperature can be used and treated as a constant value.
Okay, thank you, Nina. That's all from our presentation. We open a question and answer session. If you want to ask, please raise your hand. Yes, sister. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Sister Novena from class R001. I want to question about what are the ways to determine the internal energy and the energy change for an ideal gas? Okay, thank you, sister.
My name is Akina from the school with grade 49.
Hebat,
I'm from
Rahmat.
class R1.
Kok ngeblur kan sih? Kenapa cuma aku aja? Ada setan nih biasanya. Kan kalau hubungannya kayak dalam.
Please explain the definition of that specifically.
Nggak nampak juga ada Rahmat. Bau. Kenapa kau? Gimana?
What are the ways to determine the
Emang gue cowok apa? Uas kalian jawab soal presentasi lah 30 menit.
Okay, I will answer this question. What are the ways to determine the internal energy and enthalpy change for an ideal gas? To summarize, there are three ways to determine the internal energy and enthalpy change of ideal gas. One, by using the tablet UN data. This is the easiest and most accurate Dwayne table are readily available. Two, by using the Cp or Cp relation as a function of temperature and performing the integration. This is very inconvenient for hand calculation, but with desirable for computer calculation. The results obtained are very accurate. Three, by using appropriate specific heat. This is very simple and certainly very convenient when property tables are not available. The result obtained the reasonable accurate if the temperature interval is not very large. Thank you.
My name is Negisi Panita. I will answer question from Artina. The specific heat is defined as the energy required to rise the temperature of the unit mass of a substance by 1 degree. In general, this energy depends on who the process is executed. In thermodynamics, we are interested in two kinds of specific heats. Specific heat, a constant volume Cp, and specific heat, a constant pressure Cp.
Okay, because we will still we have a lot of time. We open the question and association again. If you want to ask,
Okay, thank you, moderator. My name is Rolezian, 19 from class 1.
Rupo.
Explain in detail about the difference between field specific contact
Ini dia
and
neneng
field
Ucup.
specific field.
Ini Rahmat. Nengok. Rahmat kayak orang mabuk ini. Nih. Ngelem.
does anyone have any more question? Okay, once again, does anyone have any more question? Okay, silakan.
Thank you, Ayuda. My name is Pintarnati with him 13 from class 1. What is mean by polytropic process?
Thank you, Miss.
Oke, jangan lihat waktu aja, nggak waktu 30 menit bukan gitu ya, tadi diisi dengan metro. Jangan lihat waktu punya 30 menit bukan gitu. Silakan.
Kami tidak buka pertanyaan.
Okay, I will answer a question from Maria.
Langsung salam lagi.
In of specific head and constant volume CP and specific head and constant pressure CP. The specific head and constant volume CP can be viewed as the energy required to rise the temperature of the unit mass of a substance by 1 degree as the volume is maintained constant. And the specific head and constant pressure CP is always greater than CP because at constant pressure the system is allowed to expand and the energy for this expansion work must also be supplied to the system.
Kamu nanya ya, kan kecil.
See friends, see in PPT specific head. The definition of CP is found to the specific head as content column CP.
I will ask one question from Kintan. What is meant by polytropic process? During actual expansion and compression process of gas, pressure and volume are often related by PVN equals G C, where M C are constant. A process of this kind is called a polytropic process. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from us and our expert. Thank you for your attention and good morning everyone.
Oke.